not all sails do the same thing. Each sail is designed for a specific job. Knowing the difference changes everything on the water. In this video, we will break down the most common types of sails. We will explore why each one is used. First, let us look at the engine of the boat. The mainsail is the primary sail on any vessel. It provides most of the power for forward movement. It is attached securely to the mast and the boom. Next, we have the jib, which sits at the front. It helps balance the boat during your journey. It also improves efficiency when sailing into the wind. Then, there is the genoa, a larger version of the jib. It overlaps the mainsail to catch more air. This gives you more power in lighter wind conditions. Now, let us move on to downwind sails. The spinnaker is used when sailing with the wind. It is large, lightweight, and very colorful. It is designed to capture as much wind as possible. The gennaker is a clever mix of a jib and a spinnaker. It is much easier to handle than a traditional spinnaker. This makes it a popular choice for casual cruising. Sometimes, you need specialty sails for unique situations. The storm sail is built for safety first. These sails are much smaller and significantly stronger. They are used in extreme weather to keep the boat stable. The staysail sits between the mast and the front sail. It adds extra control and balance to the rig. This is especially useful on longer voyages across the sea. Think of these sails like a set of tools. The mainsail acts as your main source of power. The jib and genoa provide balance and efficiency. The spinnaker is your best friend for speed downwind. Storm sails are your essential gear for safety. Special sails offer you control and flexibility. Understanding these tools makes sailing much more intuitive. You begin to see the rig as a cohesive system. It is a system that you can master. Once you understand what each sail does, sailing stops being confusing. It starts to feel like a system you can truly control. You are now ready to harness the wind. Every sail has a purpose and a place. Learning them is the first step to becoming a sailor. Keep practicing and observing how the wind moves. The ocean is waiting for you to explore. Choose the right sail for the right conditions. Adjust your trim to find the perfect balance. Feel the boat respond to your commands. Sailing is an art form combined with science. With every trip, your confidence will grow. The wind is a constant companion on the water. Respect the power of the elements at all times. Always check your gear before leaving the dock. Safety should always be your top priority. Enjoy the freedom of the open blue horizon. The beauty of sailing lies in the details. Mastering the sails is a lifelong journey. You have the knowledge to navigate with skill. Go forth and set your sails with purpose. Happy sailing on your next great adventure.